Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. In today's video, I am going to tell you the terms and expressions related to cleaning. You need to know it because you want to express yourself completely in English. And if you want to express yourself completely, you need to enrich your vocabulary. So what do you think is a basic step of cleaning? We get our first word, that is a duster. Using the duster, we remove dust from a surface and that act is called dusting. The second term in the list is broom. Broom is a tool used to sweep the floor to clean it. So the sweeping is done with the help of broom. Third is mop. It is a piece of cloth which is dipped into the water and used to clean the floor by wiping it. So it is kind of a wet wipe. Fourth is a vacuum cleaner. It is an instrument which has a nozzle and it has a suction system. The dirt and dust of various areas are sucked to clean it. So vacuum cleaner is an electronic device to clean. Fifth is a scrubber. It is a thing which helps to clean a surface if you rub with it. It has a typically rough surface. Sixth is a wiper. It is a tool with which one can clean water from the floor. Water can be wiped off with it to make the floor dry. It is especially used in the floor of a washroom. Seventh is a windscreen wiper. It is used to wipe the water from the windscreen of a vehicle. It is specially used in the rain so that the driver can see what is ahead of him or her. Eighth is all kinds of brushes. I am talking about the brushes that help us to clean, like toothbrush, bottle scrub brush, floor brush, cloth cleaning brush, etc. Ninth in the list is all kinds of detergents, like detergent powders, detergent liquids, and all kinds of soaps. These are very necessary to clean. Tenth is shovel. A shovel is used specially in cold places to clean up the snow after heavy snowfall. Last in the list for today is a rake. It is an instrument used to clean cut grass or dry leaves, especially in a garden or a lawn. So this was a small list of things that we use to clean, and I have also explained how they are used. So that's all I had to say today. I hope the video was useful. If it was useful for you, do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Keep reading and listening to a lot of English and do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.